Okay, so I'm here at Panda Express, and you know Panda Express has the Pepper X Bourbon Chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this, see how it is. Then I'm gonna keep the rest of the pieces and challenge somebody else. I'll just pick it up my fingers. So there you go. Just gonna do one piece for now. Not even hot yet. Okay, so this is, I don't think it has Pepper X in it. And if you're a chili person, like hot sauce, this is not really good for it. Good at all. It just doesn't taste. It just tastes like bourbon chicken to me. In fact, I'll eat one of these peppercorn Szechuan peppers too with it. I'm still not feeling any kind of heat from it. I figured as much because you're selling it at Panda Express, and you know people are not going to buy that at Panda Express. They don't want it to be liable, so probably is not really any challenge at all. But I will keep this and challenge some my one friend Brad and another friend and see if they like it. And it might be hot to them, but